In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your 2 gig control panel. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before changing the battery, ensure your system is disarmed and is placed on test mode with Guardian. Simply go to Guardian's customer care website at customercare.guardianprotection.com. To open the 2 gig control panel, first remove the Phillips head locking screw at the top center of the panel. Once the locking screw has been removed, hold the panel with one hand and insert the flathead screwdriver into the grooves at the left and right of the panel. Next, use the white plastic strap to hang the panel from the knob located in the center of the mounting plate. To remove the battery pack, follow the wires leading from the pack to the white plug and disconnect it. Remove the battery pack. Place the new battery into the panel and connect the plug. The low battery icon will clear itself from the screen once this step is complete. Next, swing the panel up and press until it snaps securely into place, and then replace the locking screw. Now that you have replaced the battery, be sure to test your system before having it removed from test mode.